Yo, what's going on people? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing these BC Racing coilovers onto my E46. Let's go. Alright, sweet, yes people, so quick update. So we've taken out the McPherson strut from the left side. I didn't want to film this side, I wanted to do a side without filming first, just so I could see how it goes. But yeah, it's pretty easy to be fair. It only took us around 20 minutes. I did WD-40 all the nuts and bolts last night and let it sit overnight, so there's a possibility that would have helped as well. But yeah, I mean, old one's out now time to install the new one. Can't wait. So this is the coilovers I went for. They are the BC Racing VR series. So I got these from Driftworks. On the Driftworks website there's actually an option to add caster adjustment as well. Because we're going to be drifting this car, I thought caster would be quite necessary, so I ticked that box. It also comes with new drop links, and I also ordered these two strut tower reinforcement plates from BMW itself. So they are genuine BMW strut tower reinforcement plates, which will be sitting between the shock and the strut tower. The reason for this is because E46s commonly they do mushroom the strut tower, so hopefully this will try and mitigate that. But yeah, anyway, let's crack on. We've put in the BC coilover on the left side, and then we'll start on the right side. Cool, so quick update. Oh, camera's a bit tilted. So first of all, the BC coilover on the front left is now in. It's not torqued up or anything like that yet, but it's just hand tightened. Also, another thing, it started snowing. So yeah, lucky I chose to do it under some cover, because we'd be doing this in the snow right now. So we're gonna crack on, torque this up, put the wheel on, and then crack on with the front right side, and then we'll move on to the rears. So boom, front left side all done now. Every nut and bolt is torqued up. We've also put the Stealth 32 on there as well. Wheels not torqued up yet. Just need to do this side. I'm gonna try filming doing this side, and then we'll put the other Stealth 32 on this side as well, and then we'll drop it down and we'll see what the difference is. Like, just looking at it already, like not even on the ground, like it's already a lot lower. Like it looks like how it was when it was on the ground. So yeah, very excited to see how it sits after I lower it down. But yeah, anyway, let's crack on. First thing I need to do is take these two, so the brake hose and the wheel speed sensor wire out of this bracket here. They're both out now. Now moving on, undo this drop link nut and then the bottom drop link nut, which is just there, and then we'll take the drop link out. Drop link's now off. So yeah, all that's left is that bolt right there. Undo that, drop this down, and then undo the 3 strut tower nuts, and then we should be able to pull the old one out and then put the new one in. The pinch bolt for the knuckle to strut is now out. As you can see, it's already dropped a little bit. So I'm just using a rubber mallet. So yeah, as you can see, it's now out of the knuckle. I'm just going to pull this out of the way, undo the 3 bolts, and then the strut will be out. Got the BMW reinforcement plate, just lining that up, so that's going to be sitting just like that, and then all I've got to do, put this through, get a nut on top to hold it, and then it's literally just a reverse of taking it out. Coilover's now in, as you can see. We literally just used the jack on the lower control arm ball joint to slide the strut into the knuckle, which has allowed us to line up the hole for the pinch bolt as well. So yeah, it's just a case of tightening everything back up, torquing it up, and then putting the drop link on, and then should be done. Cool, all done now. I've just torqued up the wheel nuts, wheel bolts, sorry, not wheel nuts. It's now a moment of truth. We can let down the front and see how the front's sitting. Excited. Let's see how low it gets. Already we can see it's a lot lower. Obviously it hasn't set yet, it probably will drop a bit more than that, but yeah, I mean, looking at that now, yeah, happy with that. We can adjust the ride height to however I want it, but yeah, looking at that, that looks good, man. That looks good. Just got to do the rears now, and then we can see what it actually looks like and go on a test drive. Hey, loads of room. So as you can see, this is the rear right spring, completely snapped. So yeah, good thing we're doing this, because they'll be getting replaced as well. I mean, I've never had a set of coilovers, so I don't really know what I'm doing. But yeah, we'll undo this first, and then this should drop down. Hopefully that'll give us enough clearance to get the spring out, and then we'll undo the 2 nuts at the top, and then hopefully we can pull that strut off. The rear right coilover assembly, or strut and spring assembly from BC Racing is now installed. So Grant is just chucking on the wheel bolts now. Gonna quickly smash out this side, and then we can fully lower it and then see how it looks when it's fully on the ground. All 4 coilovers are completely installed now. Wheels are back on. We'll lower it down, torque the wheel bolts up, and then yeah, we'll see how it's sitting. It looks good, it looks good. Just have a look. So yeah, as you can see the fronts, I reckon after it sets it will drop a bit further. The back is still a bit quite high, to be honest, but we'll see how it is after it sets. But yeah, overall the car looks proper cool, man. A little bit of camber on the rear as well. Yeah. Cool, so we're just gonna go on our first drive. First speed bump. I don't think it's that low, so it shouldn't scrape or anything. Yeah. Oh, you definitely notice how much stiffer it is though. Way stiffer. Oh yeah, you could definitely tell it's a lot stiffer. A lot stiffer. Car's not fully warm yet, so Gonna take it easy. Here's another speed bump. Yeah, that looked good. Definitely notice how stiff it is. Handling feels crazy. Like as soon as I turn the steering wheel, like any inputs in the wheel, it just translates to the road straight away. Yeah. Yeah, this feels really good. It feels like a brand new car, and it's not too stiff. Like it's still quite comfortable so far. Like, it's not unbearable. Yeah, definitely stiffer, a lot stiffer. However, still comfortable. Yeah, around corners, definitely notice how much better it handles. So yeah, I'm excited to see how this will perform whilst drifting. But yeah, nah, really happy with them so far. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video there. Thank you very much for watching the video. I'm really happy with how the car looks. Let me know in the comments down below what your opinion is on the coilovers and how they look. They've still got a set, so probably film some content when it's a bit lower. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching the video, and see you lot in the next one. Love. Maybe do the little like.
You.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Is it recording? So.
Yeah, looks like it's recording.
Oh.